When it comes to fashion, one thing is clear. Brown skin tones look stunning in colors that highlight their natural depth, warmth and glow. Today, we are diving into perfect dress color combinations for brown girls. Combinations that make your skin shine, your confidence rise and your outfit speak before you do. Welcome to Style Talk with Styleavera. So let's unpack the most beautiful, most flattering colors and combinations that every brown skin girl should try. Jewel tones. Colors like emerald green, royal blue, sapphire, ruby red and deep amethyst are magical on brown skin. These tones create a striking contrast, making the skin look brighter and more radiant. Earthy tones. Brown girls look incredible in warm earthy palettes. These colors sit naturally on the skin and bring out a soft, effortless beauty. Try combinations like rust orange and beige, terracotta and cream, olive green plus black, chocolate brown and gold. Earthy tones are perfect for casual days, brunch outfits, ethnic wear and minimal workwear. The power of yellow. Yellow is one of the most underrated colors for brown girls, especially mustard, turmeric yellow and mango yellow. These shades bring a warm glow to the skin, making you look fresh, bright and camera ready. The best pairings include mustard and maroon, mango and antique gold, turmeric yellow and brown. These combinations work beautifully for festive outfits and traditional looks. The pastel rule. Not all pastels work for every skin tone, but the right ones can bring out a dreamy look on brown girls. Lilac and white, blush pink and rose gold, powder blue and navy detailing. These combinations give a soft, youthful and elegant vibe. Neutrals. Neutral colors never go out of style. On brown skin, they create a clean, polished look. Try combinations like white and gold, beige and black, cream and brown, grey and silver. And let's be honest, few things looks as angelic and powerful as a brown girl in a crisp white. Pop colors. If you love bright, statement-making colors, these will never fail you. Hot pink or Rani pink, electric blue, vibrant orange, crimson red. Pair them with simple accessories and minimal makeup. Let the colors do the talking. These are great for shoots, events and festive looks. Metallics. Metallic tones look stunning on melanin-rich skin because they reflect light beautifully. The best metallic combinations for brown girls are gold and ivory, copper and black, bronze and deep brown, silver and navy blue. It's not just about the color of the dress, it's about how confidently you wear it. So experiment, explore and find the shades that makes you feel unstoppable. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such fashion content, follow us on Instagram.